What's up mga ka-also? So today we're going to do a special type of unboxing. Unboxing the viands to be, and that will be fish. That's tulingan, matambaka, bangus, and corned beef. So yeah, there might be a free malunggay. So it was sent by our kabayan from Pattaya.
So let's do the unboxing. Let's start.
So where do we cut it? I cut it here. It's kind of strange that we're unboxing viands, you know, because we really miss Filipinas. And there are no tulingan found in the market because of the COVID situation. So it's really hard to find tulingan here. So later on, we're going to cook the easiest fish to cook, and that's the sinaing na tulingan.
Hello.
Wow. So what do we have here?
So
And we have freebie. What's that? We have
the free
malunggay.
malunggay.
Yeah. So let's check it out. Kangkong malunggay.
Yay!
Bili na kayo ng gulay.
Thanks for the malunggay po.
Salamat po.
Wow.
Salamat po sa malunggay.
Yun na po. Wow. So big. Touch. Wow.
Hello.
This is the tulingan. Hi, tulingan. And this one, the other one.
This is the matambaga. Matambaga, you know.
Kaya pala may corned beef.
Yeah. So this is homemade corned beef.
Kaya tayo may corned beef kasi may matambaka.
Oh yeah, because of the matambaga. That's why we have corned beef. Wow, look at that. So fresh. From Pattaya.
Hello. And the last one.
The last one we have
Our favorite. It's
called
bangus.
it's called milkfish. And in Filipino it's called bangus. Yeah.
Hello, bangus.
Okay. So we thought the tulingan is small, but it's so big. Just
think we
one
need
tulingan tastes a lot.
Say goodbye.
Alright, so now they're piled up. They're lining up, ready to be cooked. But we're going to focus on the tulingan because it's the easiest recipe to cook. And we're a bit tired. We came home from work, and this is just a quick recipe for us to enjoy the Filipino cuisine. Alright, so now we already removed the entrails of the fish, of the tulingan, and we're going to add the garlic, some salt, peppercorn, add vinegar. Okay, พอแล้ว add water. Add water. Submerge in water. Okay. And we're going to turn on the fire. Turn on the fire. The fire's so high. Okay. Then we're going to cover it for a few minutes. And by the way, we forgot to add some, what do you call that?
Porky fat
Yeah.
in the middle.
The adipose of the pork. Yeah, so that's the tabat of the pork. And we're going to cover it again. See you later. Okay, so after 2 hours of simmering, we already have our final product. Ta-da! Okay, so that will be our viand for the coming days. It's soupy, saucy, and so Mali nam nam. Rubbery. No. Yeah, we still got some reserve here. Let's eat.